Welcome to a video from GSlice.com. New build of Windows 11 to look at. This is 23615 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. I've not done a dev video for a while, so I thought I'd have a look at this one. So there's not a huge amount of changes, but there are some interesting stuff, especially under the hub. These builds now support USB 80 gigabits transfer speed. So if you've got one of the new Intel Core 14th Gen HX series processors, then this supports via USB 4 80 gigabits transfer speed up from 40. So yeah, that's good if you've got that. Not many people have that, but it's good that it supports that. Another thing Microsoft are trying is Copilot automatically enabling on widescreen devices. So on this virtual machine, it's not showing because this is just a narrow or a 4x3 screen that I've got on here. But if you do have that, you should see an option on here to automatically open Copilot when Windows starts, and it'll be down on this right hand side. Windows Share has had a change when you do it from the browser. So if you do the share from there, you can share to WhatsApp, Gmail, X, Facebook, LinkedIn, and it automatically supports that link sharing in there. The rest of the changes are fixes. They fixed the issue with Task Manager reliability, and they fixed the issue with Share that was not working correctly. There are a couple of known issues. There's an issue with Copilot and voice access. There's a couple of widget issues with announcements not working correctly from down here, and some incorrect spacing as well. But that's it really. So there's not a huge amount to see in these builds, but if you've got a new machine, then you've got one of the new machines using the 80 gigabits, it's going to be good, especially for external storage, that kind of thing. And of course, then you've got the new sharing features. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.